Okay, so take three. This is Erin O'Neill, and I am going to talk through problem 3 on the quiz. So we have a point charge, Q. It's placed on an x-axis. Its position is marked on the x-axis, and its potential relative to that position is marked on the y-axis. And so with those numbers, with the values, I was able to graph this in Excel. And knowing that all of the kinetic energy of the particles is converted into potential energy of the system at the distance of closest approach, that this, where it's highest, must be that distance of closest approach. So then if I wanted to find what y was, I know y is 1 over v, and so that then turns into 1 over k times q times r. And so what I did was I found the slope through Excel, and I found what the magnitude was. And so, yeah, and then I figured out what this distance, what the x position would be with relation to that, based off the symmetrical numbers here. I know it's halfway in between the two. So then on the next page, this is the question you actually asked about. I just took those numbers that I had and I extended them. So, with Excel, you can, as you showed us, you can just drag it down. So that's what I did to find it at position -5 and +5. I think it would be great to go over this in class in a little more detail because I feel like I understand it 95% of the way, but there's like a little bit left that I feel like I could be missing. But there you go. That's what I did.